We got to switch out because I think the batteries are dead. Hold on. This show is edutainment, stands for education, entertainment, smash into one, not financial advice. At least I got that out. I gotta switch. Alright, we got this switched out. I think you guys can hear me. Perfect. 7 seconds. Look at that. Just done. And hey, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. Today we are talking about Disney, ticker symbol DIS, stands for Disney, obviously. It's part of this weird sector, Communication Services XLC. You would think it's, I don't even know what you would think. You would think it's like retail or just consumer discretionary, but no, it's actually in the communication services sector, meaning that they're not just Disney parks or, game parks or Mickey Mouse. They're actually into media. They're into ESPN. They're into, productions like, I don't know, Nat Geo. So they're giving you information. That's what Disney is. It's a weird concept, just like kind of like when I think of McDonald's, I don't think of it as a retail food company or food. I really think of it as a real estate company. But I digress. So you didn't come here for that. You came here for me to tell you about investor relation page, and also right here, if you were an investor in Disney, let's take a look. Buy and hold people. I told you back in September that the moving average went down. The sellers started really selling this thing, and even all the way back in June, people started kind of dumping this stock, and it has been on this downward trajectory, and it broke a key level here, a key level right here, 100, and it continuing to go lower. In this big fat candle, let's see the opportunities here, because if you are a swing trader, that's where I would want to be, not a long-term investor. Dollar cost averaging, that's just me, hoping that the value will go. I heard this cool thing: don't smoke hopium, right? Which I guess means, hope. Hope isn't a real strategy. So let's go into strategies here. You definitely can buy the dips and know when it is dipping. So when did we have our last dip, and are we going through a dip right now? We are definitely dipping. The last 3 days have been a crazy dip. I told people that, is this a dead cat bounce? I don't know. It could shoot up or it could do this, and this is what I call a dead cat bounce. The lows were right here, 100. It was shooting up to 110, 112, and meow, little kitty broke this, and now it's down to 94, 95. Man, we are looking for some kind of floor here. I don't even know when it's a floor. You have to go way back into time, right? We're back into 2019 or 2020. We're looking at 92 lows, 91 lows. So look how far back we have to go. Oh, it's even behind my head. Let's move that right there. As you can see right here, this is where you have to go back to for lows. So if you are looking for absolute bottoms, I would say this is a clear, strong bottom. 92, we could probably test that in the next week or so. That's what I'm thinking if we follow this trajectory down. And then after that, look at this. We have 84, 85 as bottoms, and then we have wick bottoms here at 80. Is it a good deal here? You have to have cojones of steel to get down here and invest in this stock right here. It is nuts. So, literally nuts. So yeah, I would say that. Oh my gosh. Do we have time for it to go down? Man, if it breaks to 90, 85, and 80, man, we're in a world of hurt. But it does present a really great opportunity to buy the stock. This is where I would say some evaluations have to come into play. What do you think Disney is worth. It's not just the price, what it's selling at, but what is it actually truly worth. And for that, you got to do some fundamental analysis, not this technical analysis like trading, looking at charts, but you really have to look at the fundamentals. What is the company making? How much is it worth? And to do that, one of the numbers that we look at is EPS. They just reported in May. They gave us a 1.19. They gave us really a 1.08. Not so great. And that has to do with their streaming numbers. They will probably be reporting again in August of some time. So middle of August is when we're looking for that. So there's still some time for them. But today, what is going to move this stock? 75 earnings, three stock splits, 4 IPOs, and 86 economic events. Out of those economic events, let's see what is affecting the U.S. Great Britain, obviously, their dollar is just going. So, Euro, Great Britain, money, currency, there's lots of stuff going in Forex. But let's take a look. I don't even see. Okay, here's the U.S. You got PPI for food, energy. PPI. In Canada, we got some sales manufacturing. We got the Red Book in the States. And that's about it. So PPI, food and energy. That's going to have a lot of people thinking about inflation. The Fed meets tomorrow. The Fed meets and reports out tomorrow. And my nose is really itchy all of a sudden. Someone's talking about me. But this is what we got to look out for today. So you're probably going to see the consumer staples get affected. You might even see some energy stocks get a little bit of a bump today, which we are seeing. But what's going to move Disney stock? There's a lot of stuff in the news with Disney right now. People are saying, yeah, it's definitely below 100 a share. Is that a good buy? It's a key level. Again, you have to do your research. Some people are saying Disney's in a growth mode. It's definitely not back to pre-pandemic levels. And again, record low, and it's down 45%. So just because it's 45% doesn't mean that it's on sale. All right? It could be that it's coming down to a price. And that's a whole other bag and a whole other topic to talk about fundamentals, what we actually think this company is worth. And that's what I do a lot with my Rule 1 people. So if you're going to come out this weekend we're having a workshop in Dallas, Texas. And it's with Tony Robbins as well, but we are going to have a great time there teaching some people how to invest and trade and do fundamentals. So if you want to know, come out to Rule 1. That's where we're learning. But for now, we're going to drop a Fibonacci on the low. We're going to take the high. We don't even know where the high is. It's way back there, so we're just going to go like that. That's the trend. It is definitely in the down channel right now. Man, we have to take an extension because it is so depressed. So we're going to take this high, we're going to take this low, and we're going to drop an extension. Boom. And we're just going to drop the extension just like that. And let's see what we get moving downwards. So the next key level is 90.46. That's the next time our Fibonacci says there's some kind of support. And yeah, when I look back at those levels, that is true. I would say 90 is a key level, and again, around 86 is probably another big one right here. So with that said, excuse me, that was gross. I'm just burping up some coffee and breakfast. Trade safe, everybody. Know that we are heading for a leg down. I don't know how much further to go, but Disney doesn't have much support until 90, so watch out below. We got to get some new music up in here. I need to connect with some of my music friends again to do that, to get some jingles going. But I hope you're liking the value that we're given every month, reviewing 20 stocks, just like Warren Buffett says. Grandpa Warren. Tomorrow we're doing Equinix, which is a real estate play. And yeah, tomorrow the Fed is going to be giving us some news. So, oh my gosh. Disney, definitely below 95. It's at 94 right now and dropping. It's going to break that 94 floor any second now. Oh, I should probably show you so you guys can see this with me. Look at this. Let's take a look together. That's not the one. That was the one? Absalom? No. Absalom. That's the one. So let's zoom in here. I think it's gonna break. You're gonna watch this break 94. It's already broken at once. I don't know if you can see it right there. 93. I gotta get rid of this thing. There it is. You can see the low, 93.7. So it's already broken it. It's already broken 94, and it's headed back down there right now. Yeah, it's gonna break. It's already broken 94. It's barely holding up above it. It will break it again, and we're watching it right now. Heading towards the downside. 92. Can you guys see that there? Let's see if I can zoom in here. Does this work? I don't know if this works. Maybe this doesn't work. No, I can't do it on here. No. Oh yeah. Oh my. I can. Woohoo! So you can see, there it is. It broke. 93.97, everybody. Disney to the downside. Be safe. Protect yourself. Peace out.